All right, thanks for coming on the journey. Got the list and we're at our first destination and we're gonna go look and see what they've got. Thank you. Nothing but plastic tubs. Mark this one off the list. It's supposed to be a bike, but maybe my other homies got it before I did. Perfect, we go to the next. All right, found a metal desk. Well, small one, but we'll start the pile. Let's go. One thing about Los Angeles before, the sun comes up, I think even during the day too, even when the light turns green, you got to take your time and see if anybody's running the red light. Welcome to Los Angeles. All right, looky here, looky here. What kind of scrap we got? Oh man, I'll take it. Or not. No, I can't. That's too much plastic. Catch you on the next. Good try. I thought it was one of those metal wheelbarrows, but not to be. On Mondays, I get this route that's near where the Los Angeles School District has all its buses, and like occasionally you get stuck in traffic and you just get to see, it's like a total wonderment. All the buses gonna go throughout all parts of this part of LA to pick kids up. It's got to be multiple hundreds of buses just at this one location. Pre-dawn light, Los Angeles. Literally, I'm surrounded by buses. Man, it's Monday morning in LA. The kids got to go to school. It ain't spring break yet. Guy found me on Google My Business. And so I got a water heater, a sink, another sink, and more to follow. Let's get this loaded, Grandpa. Man, even got an old double oven. And a cast iron tub. Yup. Let's get it on the truck. That's some good stuff. What a good haul, man. Good stuff, good people. Maybe some calls for some more work. I love me some pool heaters. Let's get to work, Grandpa. 2 pool heaters. I'm sorry, 2 pool pumps and a pool heater. Man, Grandpa's hustling. Thanks for this gift. And then sometimes I still stop for the stop sign, but you can almost drive through it if you're following the fire department, but I'm not gonna do that. Talk to you later. The scrap yard. I just got to empty the truck and you can see it's already like 8:42 at night. But I'm so grateful these guys are open. So let's get to it, Grandpa. Let's get weighed. Back at the scrap yard. What do I see on the ground? You know it, poopy pipe. All right, Grandpa, let's unload this without like getting smacked. Dude, Google My Business loaded up the truck today. I'm so serious, this is like crazy. Even brought the Ryobi. No, I'm not sponsored. So let's see what I can get out of there, because I know there's some brass I got to knock off in a little bit. I'll use Thor, I'll use the saw. Let's just get it off the truck. And don't fall. Got some good light though for the video, shoot. Okay, got 1 battery. Let's go, let's find a place for this. Okay, sweetheart, I'm gonna put you right there. My weapon of mass destruction. Oh, man. Got it. Don't fall. Thank you. Somebody's grill no more. Woo! Gotcha. Oh, baby boy, I got you. Don't lose it. You got it, Grandpa. Hang it up. Thank you, everybody, for coming on the journey. Oh, man. So grateful to have this chance to do this. Tighten it up. All right, let's go, Grandpa. Ain't gonna unload itself. Another weight set bites the dust. I tried cutting that up, but I couldn't get it apart, so I just tossed all over it. Oh, man. Oh, man. I think I got a spot for you. Uno, due, tre. All right. Oh, man. Tumble Bumble from this morning. Bye, bye, bye. Just bye. There goes that barbecue. Lord. From the pool heater. Bye-bye. Thanks to the Ryobi reciprocating saw. Got some brass off. Man, all we gotta do is I'll sweep this off. Let's get weighed, get paid, call it a day. Thank you so much, everybody. All right, Grandpa, how did we do? All right, man. Late night hustle, but we got that cleared off. Almost 1,900 pounds. Cool $164 one day. Thank you, Google My Business. Guys and gals, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Like and subscribe. Appreciate you.